Hello, dear students. Now let us understand about stock exchanges in India. In India, there are many stock exchanges. So, what is a stock exchange? See, actually, it is a stock market where buying and selling of stocks will happen between traders. Okay, so there will be buyers, there will be sellers. So, both the buyer and sellers they'll exchange their stocks in a place, and that place is called as stock market or stock exchange. So basically, all these stock exchange, stock market. So it is what there are certain set of rules and regulations under the guidelines of SEBI. What is SEBI? Securities Exchange Board of India. So under SEBI, the entire stock exchange or stock markets it will function. Next. So benefits of listing with stock exchange. What is the purpose and what are all the benefits, merits that we'll be gaining? Being acting as a trader, what is the merit? First one is increased value. So obviously, being acting as a trader or being acting as a owner of any particular company, so it is not simply our duty to just to selling our goods and satisfying customers. Okay, that is next part. And apart from that, involving in stock market, stock exchange, and gaining more value to the company, it is also very important. So where it actually generates cash inside the company and it builds market reputation. And next is accessing capital. So accessing capital in a sense, you can gain more capital. So more, incoming of capital gains inside the organization that you can able to acquire inside the company. So that is also another, merit of this stock exchange, dealing with stock exchange. Next one is collateral value. So collateral value is something that, there are many lenders, they come forward, they accept the listed securities. And next is what they'll offer some credit facilities, extend some credit facilities against them. So being acting as a shareholder, additional value will be created. Okay. And next one is liquidity. So what is liquidity? Again, easily convertible into cash. Okay, so that is very, very important when you run any company, any organization. So this, liquidity, advantage of liquidity, that rather than being, taking more credibility is fine, but liquidity is what? Whenever you are in need of fund, you are in need of cash, it should be easily converted into cash. That is the very, very important part when running the business. Next one is what? Fair price. Fair price is something that, it represents actually the real value, original value of the any particular security. Okay. So this is also again very important. There might be certain, ups and downs, that is demand and supply inside the, market area. So, but anyhow, it should have some real or fair price. Next. So major stock exchanges, that is what we are trying to deal. That one is BSE and next one is NSE. That is Bombay Stock Exchange. Another one is National Stock Exchange. So about this stock exchanges, BSE in 1875 in Mumbai at Dalal State. Okay, it was established and it is actually renowned as the oldest stock exchange. It was formed before, okay, before this, NSE. And this is actually considered as the world's 10th largest stock exchanges. Okay, so this is the again brief about this BSE. So it was located in the area of Mumbai, Dalal State. Okay, more than 6,000 companies are actually listed under this BSE. Okay, and next is NSE. What is this NSE? Again, it is National Stock Exchange of India. Its headquarters is located in Mumbai and it was established in the year of 1992. Okay, so again in 2021, so this exchange system, it was ranked as the 4th rank. It secured 4th rank according to its trading volume. Okay, so these are all different stock exchanges, which is what happening in India. One is BSE, another one is NSE. Thank you all.